Hey Sketchlab friends, welcome to the channel. Today let's draw this adorable teddy bear donut. So we're going to start off with these two dots. Now we're going to draw a rainbow line. Let's draw that line that curves up. Good job. Now we're going to go ahead and do a smiley face. So a line that curves down. Okay, let's go to work on the eyes. So we're going to have these big circles. So this must make the character cute, right? We got to have these big eyes. We have two little white highlights, one larger, one smaller. It looks like our little teddy bear's drinking some boba tea. I'm kind of wondering if sippy cups will eventually go back in style. Wouldn't that be funny if adults were drinking out of sippy cups? So we have these two white dots inside the eyes, and then we're going to fill it in. So now we're going to draw the oval shape. Here's his nose. A line that curves down. And draw another one for its mouth. Alright guys, we're going to draw the ears now. So you can see it looks like a circle. That line that curves up. And then we have another one inside of the ear. Now we'll draw a matching ear. Oh wow, look at that cute little teddy bear donut. We gotta add the chocolate drip here. So we're using a wavy line. Well, good job, guys. Go ahead and you can add some more detail if you want to add eyelashes or some sprinkles to your donut. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.